Hello and welcome to Flippin Awesome. I'm Mindy XYZ, your factotum expert, with my detailed videos on how to save time, money, the environment, and many other things. You'll easily become an expert too, to where you'll just totally amaze your family and friends with your newfound capabilities. Today I am going to show you how to remove Phillip head screws that are either rusted over or crudded over easily. The bottom so here we go. Hinges are pretty rusted, and you can see here that you really can't see where the Phillips head drill bit will fit in there. You know, so it's pretty much rusted over. I tried something and it worked, so I will show you here. Okay, using some type of a punch, and here I got like a little screwdriver and also a little flathead screwdriver. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to start chiseling away at the very center. Flathead screwdriver here where I can barely see. You can see where I got the indentation now. So let's. Well, I hope you have fun removing your screws. It should be fairly easy to do that. If you like today's video, please like, share, and subscribe. It will help me out, and I will definitely be bringing you more videos in the future. In the meantime, you guys have an awesome, fabulous day, and have fun with your projects.